Okay, let us take one more example for 1 function. Check whether f of x is equals to 3x plus 4 is a 1 or not. So to check these kind of problems which are in the form of ax plus b, otherwise I can say simply linear type of functions. So to check this linear type of functions, we need to make f of x1 is equals to f of x2. In some textbooks, instead of taking x1 and x2, they will take x and y. Otherwise, a1, a2. Anyway, both are same. No need to worry about it. Now, this f of x1 is nothing but in the place of x, we need to substitute x1. In the place of x, we need to substitute x2. So 3 into x1 plus 4 is equals to 3 into x2 plus 4. Left side plus 4, right side plus 4, both will get cancelled. So we remains with 3x1 is equals to 3x2. Here 3 cancel. So we remains with x1 is equals to x2. If this x1 is equals to x2, we got answer like this. Then this is 1 function. Remember simply, linear function is always 1 only. Linear function is always 1 function. Okay, now let us look at textbook question. He gave an example. Set A is equals to A, B, C, D. And set B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And he gave the function as A, 3, B, 5, C, 1, D, 4. Let us check whether it is a 1 function or not. So I am taking the set A, where the elements are A, B, C, D, and set B, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A3, B5, C1, D4. Every element of set A has distinct image. So this is 1 function. Next, one more he took. Function G is A, 2, B, 2, C, 3, D, 5. Let us check whether this is a 1 or not. Again I am taking set A and set B. Set A has A, B, C, D, and set B has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A2, B2, and C3, D5. If we observe this clearly, element A as well as element B both are having the same image too. So this is not 1 function. This is not a 1 function. Next, one more function he gave. F is a function from R to R, and f of x is equals to x square. Already we discussed this. If I substitute plus 1, I am getting answer plus 1 only. If I substitute minus 1, then also I will get the answer plus 1 only. So f of minus 1 is equals to f of plus 1 is equals to plus 1. So this is not a 1 function. Now the same example what he did, instead of taking a function from R to R, he is taking a function from N to N, and it is defined by f of x is equals to x square. Now check whether this function is a 1 function or not. Natural numbers to natural numbers only. If I am taking the first natural number 1 square 1. If I am taking the second natural number 2 square 4. If I am taking the next natural number 3 square 9. 4, 4 square 16, 5, 5 square 25, it keeps on going. One element has only one image, distinct element has distinct image, then it is one function. So whenever they give the question, we need to check also from where to where the function is defined. Where the function is from R to R, f of x is x square, means it is not a 1 but if the function is defined from n to n, it is one function. Next, one more example he gave. Set A is equals to A comma B comma C comma D, and set B is equals to x comma y comma z. Is it a 1 function? Easily we can say it is not a 1 function. It is not a 1 function because in the set A we have 4 elements A, B, C, D. In the set B we have only 3 elements x, y, z. In whatever the way we arranged also, one element having extra, compulsory it should be connected with one of the elements from set B. So then it won't become 1 because at least one element from the set A has same image. This is 1. Now let us move to the next type, that is onto. Next type is onto or surjection. The previous one is 1 or injection. This is onto or surjection. Let us take one example. Set A and set B. In the set A I have x, y, w and z. In the set B I have 1, 2, 3. X is connected to 1 and y is also connected to 1, w is connected to 2, z is connected to 3. So now if we write the codomain and range of this function, codomain is nothing but the total set, that is 1, 2, 3. Range is nothing but the elements which are having connection from the set A. So 1 has connection, 2 has connection, 3 has connection. So range is equals to 1, 2, 3. Now if we observe here, codomain 1, 2, 3, range also 1, 2, 3. If codomain of a function is exactly equals to the range, then that function is called as onto function or surjection. Let us take one more example. Set A and set B we have. In the set A we have x, y, z, w, and in the set B we have 1, 2, 3, 4. X connected to 1 and y also connected to 1, z connected to 2 and w connected to 3. Now if we write the codomain, here the codomain is nothing but the total set B, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Whereas range, the elements which are having connection, 1 has connection, 2 has connection, 3 has connection, but 4 does not have any connection. So the range is 1, 2, 3 only. Here codomain and range both are not equal, then it is not onto function. Okay, let us take one more question. Set A is equals to 1, 5, 8, 9, and set B is equals to 2, 4, and the function is given as 1, 2, 5, 4, 8, 2 and 9, 4. For easy understanding I am drawing the figure. Set A, set B. In the set A we have 1, 5, 8, 9. In the set B we have 2, 4. 1, 2, 5, 4, 8, 2, 9, 4. So shall we say this is onto function? If we check the codomain is the total set, that is 2, 4. And range, if we observe the elements which are having connection with the set A, 2 having connection, 4 also having connection. So range is equals to 2, 4. Here codomain is exactly equals to the range. Then this is onto function or surjection. Then how to solve if the given function is a linear function? F of x is equals to 3x plus 2. Check whether it is a onto function or not. Simply, in the place of f of x, substitute y. Y is equals to 3x plus 2. Now we have equation y is equals to 3x plus 2. From that you bring the value of x. So for that I am taking this plus 2 to the left side. So we get y minus 2 is equals to 3x. I want x value, so I will take this 3 also to the left side. Y minus 2 divided by 3. This is the x value. X is equals to y minus 2 divided by 3. Now this x value we need to substitute in the given question. The given question is 3x plus 2. So 3 into, in the place of x, substitute this total. That is y minus 2 divided by 3 plus 2. 3 cancel. So we remains with y minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel. We remains with y. So finally if you get the answer y, then it is onto function. Otherwise we can say here y is equals to y exactly. So first take the given linear function is equals to y, and from that get the value for x. That x value you substitute in the function again. You need to get the answer y. If you get the answer y, then it is onto, otherwise not onto. Okay, now let us discuss the problems from the textbook. Set A is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B is equals to A, B, C. And he gave one function f is equals to 1, A, 2, B, 3, C, and 4, C. Let us check whether it is a surjection or onto function or not. So for easy understanding I am going with the figure. Set A, set B. Set A having 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B having A, B, C. 1A, 1A, 2B, 2B, 3C, 3C, 4C, 4C. Here the codomain is nothing but the total set. So codomain is equals to A, B, C. And range, every element from the set B should have some connection to the set A. A has some connection, B has some connection, C has some connection. So the range is A, B, C. Here codomain is exactly equals to the range. Then this is onto function or surjection. Onto or surjection. Till now I am saying a reverse connection, that is called as pre-image. A has pre-image 1, B has pre-image 2, C has pre-image 3 as well as 4. So every element from set B has a pre-image, so it is onto function. Okay, next example is also same on the same set again. Set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is equals to A, B, C. And he gave a function g as 1 comma B, 2 comma B, 3 comma C and 4 comma C. Let us check whether it is onto function or not. Set A, set B. Set A having 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B having A, B, C. 1B, 2B, 3C and 4C. Here if we observe the codomain, total set B, that is A, B, C, A comma B comma C. If we observe the range, B has connection, C has connection, but A does not have any connection. So range is B comma C. The same I can say A does not have any pre-image. Here codomain is not equals to range. So this is not onto function. Okay, next one more example he gave. Set A is equals to -3 -2 -1 +1 +2 +3 and set B is equals to 1 comma 4 comma 9 and function is defined as f of x is equals to x square. Let us check once. Set A I am taking -3 -2 -1 1 2 3 and set B is given as 1 4 9. F of x is equals to x square -3 square plus 9 -2 square plus 4 -1 square plus 1 1 square plus 1 2 square plus 4 3 square plus 9. So here codomain is equals to range. So this is onto function. Okay, next example he took is f is a function from R to R. So what does it mean here, R to R? This R is an input, this R is total. One set. So this R we can say as domain. This R we can say codomain. So one is total set R and second one is also set R only. Set R to set R. Then he gave the function as f of x is equals to x square plus 4. X square plus 4. So here whatever we are substituting, that is total real numbers. Any real number we can substitute. For example, I am taking some negative numbers, neutral number and some positive numbers. Next, this set is also R only. That is again all the real numbers we should get. I am taking again same, some minus, some negative numbers, some neutral numbers and some positive numbers. Let us check now. If I am substituting -1, what I am getting? -1 square plus 4 -1 square plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 5. If I am substituting -1, I am getting 5. So somewhere 5 also will be there definitely because it is real number. So -1 if you are connecting, it is plus 5. Next, -2 whole square plus 4 -2 whole square 4 plus 4 8. So whenever we are connecting -2 we got some answer 8. Now if I am substituting 0 square 0 plus 4 again, somewhere 4 is there, so 0 also connected to 4. Now is there any chance to get -1 as the answer, otherwise -2 as the answer? Let us check. The given function is x square plus 4. In the place of x, if we substitute negative number or positive number, we are doing square, so compulsory we will get a positive number only. For that positive number, again I am adding positive number. Positive number plus positive number, always we will get a positive number only. But there is no chance that we will get negative number. So the range will be only positive numbers. That too from where? Is there any chance to get 0? No, because already 4 plus we are doing something. 4 plus something. So compulsory the range is starting from 4 till infinity. 4 also included, because 4 plus 0 is 4. So in the range, the first element we will get is 4 only, starting from 4 to infinity. Below 4 we won't get any value in this function x square plus 4. So here the range is 4 to infinity, whereas the codomain is total real numbers. Here codomain is not equals to range, so this is also not onto function. Okay, the next type is bijection or bijective. Bijection function is nothing but if a function is one function as well as onto function. If a function is one function as well as onto function, then that function is called as bijection. Let us take some example. I have set A and set B. In the set A, B, C are the elements, and in set B, X, Y, Z are elements. A is connected to Z, B to X, C, Y. First, we need to check whether it is a one function or not. A having only one image, B having only one image, C having only one. 1, yes, it is a one function. Then what about onto function? Yes, this is also onto, because codomain is equals to range. So this is also onto. Then this is the example for bijection. Let us take one more example. Set A is A, B, C, and set B is X, Y, Z, W. A is connected to X, B also to X, C to Y. Whether this is a bijection or not. First we need to check whether it is a one or not. Let us check. A having an image X, A, X. B also having the same image X. A, B are having the same image X, so it is not 1. Let us check whether it is onto or not. Domain is X, Y, Z, W, whereas range is X, Y. Domain is not equals to range, so it is not onto. It is not 1, it is not onto, so obviously it is not at all bijection also. Okay, let us check how to solve if the given function is a linear. One function f of x is equals to 3x minus 5. Check whether this function f of x is equals to 3x minus 5 is a bijection or not. First we need to check 1. How we will check 1 function for linear? F of x1 should be equals to f of x2. So 3x1 minus 5 is equals to 3x2 minus 5. Left side minus 5, right side minus 5, both will get cancelled. 3x1 is equals to 3x2. 3 cancel, so we remains with x1 is equals to x2. It is 1. Next, checking onto. How we will check onto? First the given you take it as y. Y is equals to 3x minus 5. Now we need to bring an equation for x. take minus 5 to the left side, it will become plus 5. So y plus 5 is equals to 3x. We want x value, so take 3 also this side. Y plus 5 divided by 3 is equals to x. Now this x value we need to substitute in the given question. 3x minus 5, in the place of x let us substitute this. 3 into y plus 5 by 3 minus 5. 3 cancel, so we remains with y plus 5 minus 5 plus 5 minus 5 both cancel, we got answer y, which is equals to y. So this is also onto f of x is equals to 3x minus 5 is 1 function as well as onto function. So this is bijective function or else bijection. Okay, in our textbook he gave one example. F of x is equals to 2x plus 3. Same again, let us check whether it is bijective or not. First we need to check whether it is 1 or not. So f of x1 is equals to f of x2. 2x1 plus 3 is equals to 2x2 plus 3 plus 3 cancel, so we remains with 2x1 is equals to x2. 2 cancel, so we remains with x1 is equals to x2. Yes, it is 1. Next, to check on to y is equals to 2x plus 3. Take plus 3 to the left side, we get y minus 3 is equals to 2x. Take 2 also that side, we get y minus 3 divided by 2 is equals to x. This x value we need to substitute in the question. That is 2x plus 3, 2 into, in the place of x, y minus 3 by 2 plus 3. 2 cancel, so remains with y minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 plus 3 cancel, we remains with y. This y is equals to y. So this is onto also. This is 1 function as well as onto function. Then this function 2x plus 3 is a bijection or bijective function. Okay, so till now what we discussed, that is from R to R. Now what I will do for the same function R to R, I will change to N to N. Let us check that. F of x is equals to 2x plus 3 and f is a function from N to N. Let us check whether it is 1 as well as onto or not. From N only, so I am substituting numbers. First natural number is 1. 2 1s are 2 plus 3, 5. Next natural number 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 3, 7. Next 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 3, 9. One element having only one image. No element has common image. So this is 1. Next, onto function. I am substituting 1. 2 1s are 3, 5. Then 2 2s are 3, 7. 2 3s are 6 plus 3, 9 and continues. Now this 5, 7, 9, these are all called the range. So range is 5, 7, 9, and so on. But according to that, codomain is natural numbers. All the natural numbers are codomain. But in this range, 1 is not there, 2 not there, 3 not there, 4 not there, 6 not there, 8 not there. So codomain and range both are not at all equal. So this is not onto function. If it is not onto function, then it is not a bijection.